Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pass AP Psychology. To succeed, you need a clear understanding of the exam structure and content. Focus on mastering core concepts and practicing both multiple choice and free response questions. Consistent review of vocabulary is also crucial for a strong performance. This comprehensive approach will build your confidence and knowledge for test day. Deeply understanding the core curriculum is vital. Prioritize major units such as cognitive psychology, developmental psychology, and research methods. Try to connect abstract concepts to real-world scenarios to make them more memorable. Employ active recall techniques, like quizzing yourself, and create flashcards for key terms. This active engagement will solidify your knowledge. Success on the AP Psychology exam requires strategic test-taking. Practice multiple-choice questions to improve speed and accuracy. For free response questions, structure your answers clearly, defining terms and applying them to the prompt. Pay close attention to time management, allocating appropriate time for each section. Familiarize yourself with the scoring guidelines to maximize your points. As the exam approaches, dedicate time to a comprehensive review of all units. Take several full-length practice tests under timed conditions to simulate the actual exam experience. Ensure you get adequate rest the night before the test to optimize your cognitive function. Approach the exam calmly and confidently, trusting in your preparation. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.